And we're back. Unfortunately, it's one of those unexpected part two of twos using a cell phone camera for my recorder, so things don't always work out as planned. If you remember where we left off, the port is prepped from last time. We do already know in advance that there is going to be a jumper wire required, so we're already mentally prepared for that. Let's go ahead and get it off. It does work better though, I think, because the other video was already 8 minutes long, so that way it could be divided up. Anyhow, we got our heat ready. Let's get this port off. Nice. Might as well do it all in one. Alright, this should come out nice and clean now. There we go. Good stuff. Got 1/3 the way there. This came out easy. Hopefully these last two will be nice to me as well. So I've been wanting to give stuff out, but I'm not getting enough activity, y'all. We need more comments. We need more likes. And we could give out some swag. And then there's still some videos that I offered stuff and people haven't even responded to. So more activity, y'all. More activity. Alright, so that's that side. Alright, so I was thinking of the Series X. The Series X, the one that has posts underneath too. But I'm not liking the health of these pads. There's one definitely torn. We knew that way before we even pulled off the HDMI. But there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's about 5 or 6 other pads that just don't look healthy. They look like they're pretty fragile. We may need to do more than one jumper wire, unfortunately. That's the sucky part. But let's go ahead and get some fresh solder on these pins and then take it from there. We'll be able to kind of better assess. Because usually the weak pads will rip when you're adding the fresh solder. So let's get this low melt off. Get some quality caster on here. And now the dogs are gonna go nuts. But of course. Oh, so surprisingly they're holding together. They are good enough. Alright, and we are back. So yeah, unfortunately, another pad came off. Like I said, some of them were brittle, but I'd rather it fall off now than me to do all the work and then something go bad. So we're going to need actually 2. There was almost 3, but the third one was strong enough and held on. And it's strong enough for me to trust it to hold on afterwards. So let's go ahead and get this in place. Alright. Alrighty. Time to get these posts soldered in. We'll want to make sure they go all the way through the board. Man, that took all that solder. I got to add more solder. I need more solder. Yeah, let me know if you guys like these longer ones I've been doing lately, or if you guys want me to cut most of this out, because sure, you could all tell I don't have editing skills. I'm not trying to learn editing skills, and I don't want to buy software or nothing like that. I just kind of record, and what happens happens, and even if it doesn't go the best, I keep it. And I think it just has a lot to do with me as a person. I just like to be real, I like to be genuine. Things don't always work out, that's life, you know, and for all these super edited videos where everything appears to go all perfect and stuff, it's definitely not how it actually went. That's just what they want you to see. I mean, sometimes it does, but definitely not every time. Definitely not every time. Oh, scheiße. Oh. Alright, we're gonna need a little more flex for yeah. And yeah, let go. There we go. Alright. So I'm happy with the 4. Now I just need these 2. Alright, I'm happy with that. Alright, I touched it up and that's the final outcome. It's a bit difficult to see, but those are the jumper wires. There's one more view just in case. Alright, so video has been restored. All is well. We'll let the client know. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe. Steve with SBL Games, signing out.